Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are talking about haircut ideas for women over 50 with fine hair. As we grow older, our hair often becomes thinner and softer. That's completely normal and the right haircut can make a big difference. Fine hair needs styles that add volume, shape and movement. Looks at some beautiful haircut ideas that are easy to manage and look stylish. First is a short layered haircut. Layers help fine hair look fuller and thicker. This style is light and comfortable. It is perfect for daily wear and very easy to style. Next is the classic bob haircut. A bob gives fine hair a clean and neat shape. It usually falls around the chin or jawline. This haircut makes the hair look healthy and polished. Another great option is the layered bob haircut. Soft layers add volume without making hair look thick. This style is very flattering for women over 50. It also gives a youthful and fresh look. Now let's talk about the long bob, also called a lob. This haircut falls around the shoulders. It is perfect for women who don't want very short hair. The lob adds length while still giving volume. Next is the pixie haircut for fine hair. This style is short, stylish and full of confidence. It adds height at the top of the head. Pixie cuts are great for very fine or thinning hair. Another lovely style is the haircut with side swept bangs. Bangs help cover the forehead and frame the face nicely. Side bangs make fine hair look thicker. They also soften facial lines. Now let's talk about soft layers shoulder length haircut. Light layers add movement and body. This style looks natural and elegant. It works well with both straight and slightly wavy hair. Last but not least at the textured haircut for fine hair. Texture adds life and volume to flat hair. This haircut is easy to style and looks great all day. It is perfect for women who like a natural look. In the end, the right haircut can make fine hair look fuller and healthier. Women over 50 can look stylish, confident and beautiful at any age. Choose a haircut that suits your face shape and lifestyle. Keep visiting my channel for more designs and more ideas. You can see my ideas. You can enjoy my videos. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share and subscribe. See you again. Allah Hafiz.